In this video, I'll show you how to make fonts and text smaller or bigger on Windows 11 or your computer. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to make your font and text bigger or smaller, there are actually two ways you can do that, right? At first, just click on the settings, right? Now, the very first way is for you to click on this display. Once you have clicked on this display, there are two ways you can do this actually, right? So the first way is to increase the scaling level, right? The scaling level percent of your device. So if you want to increase, if you want to make text smaller or bigger, the first thing you're gonna do is to increase the scaling level percent of your PC, right? I want to reduce it, so you can see how small things are appearing now. I want to increase it. You can see how big things are appearing now. Put it in the 150, right? The next way is for you to click on this text size. You can manually adjust this, right? If you increase it, this is how the text and the font are gonna be appearing, right? Once you click on this apply. So those are the two ways you can make your text increase bigger or smaller here on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.